So our title for the article is Hybrid Vehicles, Evolution and Future. So we're going to do an in-depth article critique. So basically, the article has three big criteria that we're going to focus on, which are the limited focus on environmental implications, further explorations of technical advancements, and the lack of analysis in the market.
The article lacks a comprehensive analysis of the hybrid market beyond consumer preference for fuel efficiency, failing to provide sufficient data on actual demand for hybrid vehicles, thus hindering the assessment of their popularity. External factors like undeveloped diesel market and strict air quality regulations contribute to the increasing demand of hybrid, particularly in regions like the US, where diesel's options are limited and expensive due to regulatory constraints. While diesel cars may initially cost more to purchase, their efficiency can result in long-term cost saving, similar to hybrid, but the article fails to explore specific cost comparison, leaving a gap in understanding potential saving for consumers. Furthermore, there is a need for the article to highlight the environmental benefits of hybrid vehicles, stressing their role in reducing emission and promoting sustainability, which is crucial for environmentally conscious consumers. Despite anticipating a surge in hybrid car sales due to projected high oil prices and global demand for fuel-efficient vehicles, the article lacks a clear comparison between current and projected market data, missing out on providing insight into the trajectory of hybrid vehicles demand and market innovation.
Okay, so one thing that's missing from the article is that its lack of environmental implications. That means that it doesn't really tell about how and why it affects the environment when we use hybrid vehicles. So mainly they just say that this vehicle, the petrol vehicle, uses more or less petrol, so that means that it's less efficient and then it produces more carbon dioxide, but it doesn't really mention how the reduced carbon emission from hybrid vehicles affect the climate change and everything. So it comprehends the final results. That the data, it doesn't give you data like how would you understand the effects of carbon and everything towards the climate change and pollution. So mainly it also doesn't give you how does the production of hybrid cars causes pollution and climate changes. So it doesn't tell you the metals that they need to get all of these things. So it really lacks the explanation of how and why it also affects it badly and positively. So overall, it doesn't really give you the idea to understand it.
In the article, although the several kinds of technology used in hybrid cars are acknowledged in the page, it does not go into great detail or explain how they work. It is difficult to illustrate the cost of innovation and the future of hybrid vehicles due to this knowledge gap, which is further worsened by the absence of supporting data. To improve the energy density, power output and longevity of hybrid vehicle components, new material design and manufacturing techniques are being actively investigated by scientists and engineers. Nevertheless, there is a demand for a greater emphasis on the observable result of this kind of study by delving deeper into this technological advancement. The article suggests that valuable insights could be gained into potential improvement and challenges facing hybrid vehicle engineering. For the conclusion, the article provides a comprehensive overview of hybrid vehicles but falls short in key areas. It lacks depth in market analysis, environmental implication and technological advancement. More data on consumer preference, detailed examination of environmental costs and insights into emerging technologies are needed for a more insightful exploration. Improvements in these areas would enhance the article's value for readers interested in sustainable transportation and automotive engineering. That's all.